Welcome back. 13-2, example 4. Point P, given the coordinate -2, 3, is on the terminal side of theta in standard position. Find the 6 trig ratios. So remember, if you memorize the 3 ratios we derived above, you will not need to draw this picture, but I'm going to draw it because I think it's great to have a visual. So -2, 3 is here. Here's my point P, and here it's going through the terminal side of my angle. So now remember, theta is always between your terminal side and the x-axis. And now I can draw this triangle here. So now this distance here is -2. This distance here is 3. And remember, r equals the square root of x squared plus y squared. So that's the square root of 4 plus 9, square root of 13. So my hypotenuse is square root of 13. This is my hypotenuse. Remember, your y is always your opposite, and your x is always your adjacent. So now that I have this labeled, I can find my 6 trig ratios. Sine theta is x over r, -2 over square root 13. I don't like this answer. I will rationalize the denominator by multiplying by square root of 13 on top and bottom. -2 square root 13 over 13. Now, if you don't remember how to rationalize the denominator, we will have a simplifying radicals review coming up shortly. So cosine theta is, oopsie, x over r. So I actually messed up on this one. This one should have been y over r. I'll fix it in a second. So once again, I need to rationalize my denominator because a fraction always needs to be out of a whole number, never a decimal. So this is -2 square root 13 over 13. So now I'm going to go back up to this one. Opposite over hypotenuse should have been +3. So this is a +3. Excuse me, hopefully you caught that before I did. And then tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Always make your numerator negative in a fraction. So now doing my reciprocals, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine. So now remember, we always want our denominator to be a whole number. So instead of flipping this one, I'm going to flip my original one. Square root of 13 over 3. Now I don't need to rationalize my denominator like I would if I would have flipped to this one. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. Once again, I want my denominator to be a whole number. Square root 13 over 2. Remember, keep your numerator negative. And then cotangent theta is the reciprocal of tangent, -2 over 3. Remember, we keep our numerators negative. All right, we'll practice this in class tomorrow.